So here's how to create animation videos in PowerPoint. First of all, open up your PowerPoint, and as you can see, we're already here. And if you look over on the top, you will get to see multiple options along with an option to insert. You can click on it and then select Picture, and then select a picture that you want to insert onto your canvas. Or you can go to your web browser and then copy the picture from there. So as you can see, I've already searched for a picture right here, and I've searched illustration PNG. So once you find your picture, just copy the image from here. Then go over to your PowerPoint and paste the picture onto your canvas. And as you can see, the picture has been added. Now, just drag the corners of the image to adjust it according to your preference. You can adjust it from all the sides. So after you're done adding your first image, and if you're satisfied with the position, now go over to your web browser once again. This time, let's go ahead and search for characters. Since I'm using a hospital, I've searched for a doctor. This way, select your desired image and copy the image the same way you did before. So I'll copy the image and go back to PowerPoint. Here, paste the image, and as you can see, it's pretty big. So we will need to adjust the position and size of the character. So tune it down a bit and make it small enough to fit the picture. For this character, we will try to make it as if he was standing right in front of the hospital. This way, you can adjust your characters according to your preference. So once I'm done adjusting this character, I will go ahead and add another one. For that, I will use an image that I've previously downloaded. So you can click on the Picture tab on the top or open your folder where you've saved the image. From here, just drag the image onto the canvas. And as you can see, it's added right away. So adjust the position of this character as well and put it on your canvas. So once you're done putting in your characters, you can begin the animation process. For that, just go over to the top and click on the Animations tab. Now, if you click on your character, you will get to see all the animation options that are available for you to use. And if you're looking for more options, just click on Add Animation right here. So as you can see, we have a lot more options to choose from. And if you hover over each of the animations, you will get to see it being played out real time on your canvas. So this way, you can go through each of the animations to see which one fits your character. Also, you can see different sections like entrance, emphasis, and lastly, exit, and you will get animations based on these sections. So for this, let's go ahead and choose an entrance animation. This is to make our character appear. I will go with this one. After that, if you want more options, you can check out effect options. Also, if you click on Add Animation, you will get to see more entrance effect below. If you click on it, you will get a pop-up like this with more options. So after choosing your entrance animation, go ahead and click on Add Animation again, and then go through the exit animations to add an exit animation. I will go with this one. Now, once you're done with your first character, select your next character that you want to animate. And after selecting the character, go through the animations on the top. Then click on Add Animation and go through the animations as before and choose the one that you want. After that, I'll select the first animation and click on Transitions on the top. Then, you will get to see a lot of transition options that you can choose from. So click on them one by one, and you will get to see the transitions being played out on your canvas in real time. This way, check out all the transitions and see which one looks the best. And if you don't like the options here, you can go to the right side and click on the downward arrow right here. And as you can see, we now have multiple other options to choose from. This way, select your desired transition. So once you're done with the transitions, click on Animations again, and then click on Animation Pane on the top. And on the right side, you can get to see each picture of your animation. So click on Play, and you will get to see each element being played out one by one. You can also select specific picture on the right side and then change its animation on the top. And after making your changes, click on play again and you will see it being played out. Also, you can drag and drop each animation and change its formation. And here I've moved one animation before all the others. This way, you can set the sequence of your animations. So now, let's select our character and click on Add Animation again. And then, on the emphasis section, let's go ahead and choose an animation. And as you can see, our character is moving with that animation. Now, let's click on Add Animation again. After that, go through the options, and on the bottom, you will get to see additional options to customize your animation. Here, click on Add Motion Path. And on this pop-up, you can see a lot of options. So now, let's go ahead and select our character and then click on Add Animation and then More Motion Path. So here, scroll through the section and check out the options. We will go with lines and curves and then select right. And as you can see, the character is moving to the right. Similarly, if you select left, the character will move to the left. This way, you can go through all the options and select one that you want, then click on OK. So once you're done, go over to the right side and then right-click on it. And you will get to see multiple options that you can customize. Here, let's click on Timing. This is the page where you can edit the duration of the animation that you just added. So on the top, you can see Effect and Timing. Select Timing and go through the options. Click on the Duration drop-down and go through the options to select the one that you want. And if you don't have your desired option, you can also type it in manually. So I will do just that. Then, go through the other options and set them according to your preference, like Rewind when done playing and then Triggers. This is where you can set when this specific animation will be triggered. And if you select Start Effect on Click Off, you can select a specific image. After that, on Effects, you can select the path, then set the Smooth Start and then Smooth End, also Bounce End. You can enable Auto Reverse if you want. So once you're done, just click on OK. So now that we've added a bunch of animations, let's click on Start. And as you can see, all the animations that we've added are being played out one by one. And after playing, if you want to make additional adjustments, click on the drop-down arrow on the specific character or element. After that, go through the options and set them as you want. Then click on Play Again. Then check out your animation for your new edits. Also, you have the option to set your animations in a way where they will move in sequence. To do that, click on the drop-down and select Start with Previous. This way, you can click on each of the pictures and then set Start with Previous in order to make it play automatically right after the previous animation. So once you're done with all the changes, just click on Play to give it a check. And once you're satisfied, just click on the Save button on the top left corner and then name your file on this section. After that, click on Save, and your newly created animation will be saved onto your computer. And that is exactly how to create animation videos in PowerPoint.